Good morning. This is cause number 2017-23054. In the interest of Cassandra and Alan Villarreal. All parties, please raise your right hands to be sworn and unmute yourself, Mr. Villarreal. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear.
Can't hear you, Mr. Villarreal.
Swear.
Okay.
I swear.
All right. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Viviana Mata, and I'm their mother.
Okay, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Sir, your name and your relationship to the children?
I'm
My
their
name
mother.
is that.
I'm sorry.
Sir, your name and your relationship to the children?
Alan Villarreal, and I'm the father.
All right. Counsel, your name and who you represent? Can't hear you.
Down, Judge.
Barely. Go ahead.
Monica Hinojosa for the respondent, Viviana Mata.
And representing the state of Texas Attorney General.
Kavita Sharma. Good morning, Your Honor.
Excuse me. Good morning. We have a suit for modification of support order, motion to confirm support arrearage. What are we doing today, Miss Sharma?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Villarreal requested a downward modification. We are on the trial docket today, and Ms. Hinojosa is asking for a reset because she's filed an enforcement action and has not been able to serve Mr. Villarreal at this time, and Mr. Villarreal is objecting to the reset.
Ms. Hinojosa, what reason should we reset this matter?
Judge, a couple of reasons. One being that we do have an enforcement that is pending.
That's not a reason.
And then the other reason, Judge, is this is a modification.
Yes.
I have not been provided any 194s or any financial documents that are required by local rules to be able to go forward on a modification.
Okay, did you, when did you enter this lawsuit? Eight 24 is when you filed a motion for enforcement.
Yes, Judge, but as far as filing in this case, let me get you the date.
Ms. Sharma, have you gotten the documents that you need in discovery?
I don't believe we have everything from Mr. Villarreal, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Villarreal, you had not provided everything that you're supposed to provide?
That's correct, sir.
All right.
In paying the financial support for my children. Is that what you're asking?
No. In the suit for modification, you're asking it to be lowered, and you need to have the documents, income tax returns for previous 2 years, W-2 forms, payroll check stubs, all policies and so forth, all of that.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, but when I did file the child support to be modified, they asked me to return that paperwork, which I did. They didn't ask me to do anything else. I asked them, what is my further course of action that I needed to do?
All right.
I called them. It started this in November, and we're almost a whole year later. They won because the other party wasn't there for the court hearing. Then I've been calling the Attorney General at least once every other month to understand what's happening. I've been waiting very patiently. I've been trying. Third thing, I know this is not what you're asking, but I feel like I need to say it. I try to contact the other party to see when I can see my kids. I hadn't seen them in over 5 years.
If she's not allowing you to see your kids, or you can file a motion against her and the judge can put her in jail. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I don't have anything to do with that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
But we have a In order to hear this case, we need to have all the financial information, which you will need to send to the Attorney General's office and to Ms. Hinojosa.
Yeah, no problem.
So,
I want to comply to every rule that they have. I don't want to break no
Alright.
rules, but I do understand fully and I comply 100%.
all right, give me about a 30-day reset, Maria. I'm gonna
Thank
do
you
a
so
pretty,
much.
I'm gonna do a quick reset. And you need, do you have a copy of your suit for modification of support order? Do you
No,
have
I
a
don't.
copy of it, sir?
No, sir, I don't.
Ms. Sharma, will you make sure that he gets a copy of that?
Of course, Your Honor.
You will notice on, you should have a copy of it. You will notice on the petition, on the motion that there is a request for production of documents. Paragraph 15, which if you read that, and that is what you need to produce.
Paragraph 15.
Paragraph 15, you'll see it. It says request for production of documents.
That is correct. Yes, sir. I
Okay.
understand and comply, sir.
All right.
Who's gonna send this to me and what, through where, my email?
I don't know. Ms. Sharma, you can talk to him later. Ms. Hinojosa, what is the date? October 6th. How does that look for everyone?
And Judge, just my
October 6th is
understanding,
great.
my
Sir?
understanding is Mr. Villarreal, is he self-employed? If he's self-employed, he may need bank records. So I don't know if that is the case still.
All right. October 6th. How does that look to you, Ms. Hinojosa?
That works for me, Judge.
All right. Case is reset to October 6th. Now, you know, Mr. Villarreal, if it's going to be modified and if it's going to go down, this can go all the way down back to when she got served. So it can be retroactive.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. This matter is reset to October 6th, 2022. Mr. Villarreal, I want you to talk to Ms. Sharma. Ms. Sharma, please let him know how he's going to receive a copy of this petition. And we'll see you all in October.